everybody, it's Melissa with the Bickhams. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to work on how you wire up a wreath frame from the Dollar Tree to make a beautiful mesh wreath with 10-inch mesh. So let's get started. Okay, y'all. First we're going to start with taking our tag off, our Dollar Tree tag off. We're going to get us some chenille stems. These came from Hobby Lobby. I like them because they come in a big pack. And also, to me, they're stronger than the Dollar Tree ones. But the Dollar Tree ones will work if that's what you got. Excuse me, y'all. Okay. We have 4 rings. Okay. I'm going to start with my outer ring, I think. It doesn't matter whether you start with the inner ring or the outer ring, but I think I'm going to start with my outer ring. So I'm going to take these 2 rings here, get my chenille stem. I'm going to go up. You want to pull it where it's about even. See there, about even. And then you want to just take and twist it a couple of times. Okay, so there's 1. Let's go around on this outer ring. And get all those done. This makes 2. And y'all, if they don't line up perfect, I mean, if you don't get them quite the same length, it's okay. No, don't sweat it. This one makes 3. You can get the wire frames with the chenille stems or the ties, twist ties already on them. In fact, we sell those in our online shop. It's smalltownreshop.com. If you would like to get some with the twist ties already on it. But I'm just doing this. This is just something I'm doing for a smaller wreath. I want a smaller scale wreath in my Etsy shop. And this will, just like I said, make a smaller wreath. Alright, so this is our last one. So we should have 6 on the outside. Let's count them. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to go in on our inner 2 rings. These 2 rings right there, the inner 2. And we're going to go in the middle of these crossbars. Do you see these crossbars? We're going to go in the middle on the 2 inner rings. Just like this. Same thing. Twist 2 or 3 times. Just like that. Do you see what I'm saying? On the outer 2 rings, you have those on the crossbars. The inner rings, you have these in the middle. So this will give us 6 more, which equals out to the 12 we'll need to make this smaller wreath. I'm almost finished. It takes just a minute to put these on. Alright. Nope. Got one more. Sorry, y'all. One more. Alright, here we are. Y'all want to take one more look at it. I'm gonna show it to y'all one more time. Okay. This is the, see the crossbars? I put on the outside, the outer 2 rings, I put a pipe cleaner at each crossbar. Then on the inner 2 rings, I put the pipe cleaner in between the 2 crossbars. Okay? We're going to set this to the side, and we're going to get our mesh. We're going to need 12 pieces of mesh to go in this style wreath. This is some purple mesh we have here at my shop, smalltownwreathshop.com. We got several different shades of purple if you need some. This is a striped fabric mesh. So I got my mesh out. What I'm gonna do is, it's not usually even on the end, so I'm gonna take and I'm just gonna cut me a fresh end off. Right, like that. My cutter isn't cutting too good. Hold on. Okay. I got me a clean, straight edge. Now, I'm going to cut these at 18 inches. 18 inches. This is one. This makes 2. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got all 12 pieces of my mesh cut. And like I said, I cut them at 18 inches. 18 inches. This is a fabric mesh. But you can use Deco Poly, whatever you like or you have. And this is how much I had left over after cutting my 12 pieces off. So you could do another one of these small wreaths with that. So I'm going to set it to the side. I'm going to get my frame back out. And I'm going to start on my outer ring. Okay, set it to the side kind of. You're going to put it down on your table or workstation. And you're going to put it where the curl is downward, where it wants to kind of curl in. Then you're just going to scrunch it up the middle. You're just going to walk your hands right up the middle and make a crumple. Just like this. And then you're going to get your zip tie. I mean, well, not your zip tie, but your pipe cleaner. And you're come over here, and you're going to put it down close as you can to the bottom. And you're going to twist tie it a couple of times. And then, let me show y'all what we are left with. Not really liking that edge. This is how it looks. We got our first piece on. Now we're just going to keep on going around. So let me get a few more of these done. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm down to my very last piece. My 12th piece of mesh. Here we are. We're going in to that pipe cleaner. We're cinching it tight. And we're twisting it a couple of times. Then we're taking our hands and we're just going to kind of like make it look pretty. Like a flower, I guess you could say. And make it kind of, and it lays kind of flat. So this is what we have. Now you just go in with your sign. The chenille stems are plenty long enough for ribbon tails or whatever. Then I would just take and I would clip these off after I got my ribbon tails in there. But yeah, just take your sign, 8-inch sign or a 10-inch sign, works perfectly in these. And it makes a cute little wreath, and it goes between storm doors great. So anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you don't mind, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would really like to have you in the family. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Be blessed. Bye.